Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's video, let's learn 50 words related to the word education with Hindi meanings. So let's start the video. Number 1, Shiksha, learning. Number 2, Shikshan, teaching. Number 3, Kaksha, classroom. Number 4, Pathyakram, curriculum. Number 5, विषय subjects. Number 6, सबक lesson. Number 7, शिक्षक या शिक्षिका teacher. Number 8, छात्र या छात्रा student. Number 9, school या विद्यालय school. Number 10, college. Number 11, विश्वविद्यालय university. Number 12, kaksha, class. Number 13, griha karya, homework. Number 14, karya, assignment. Number 15, pathya pustak, textbook. Number 16, pariksha, exam. Number 17, grades. Number 18, अध्ययन study. Number 19, अनुसंधान research. Number 20, ज्ञान knowledge. Number 21, कौशल skill. Number 22, व्याख्यान lecture. Number 23, semester. Number 24, degree. Number 25, diploma. Number 26, सहपाठी classmate. Number 27, पुस्तकालय library. Number 28, प्रयोगशाला laboratory. Number 29, परियोजना project. Number 30, tutoring. Number 31, शैक्षिक academic. Number 32, उपस्थिति attendance. Number 33, quiz. Number 34, परीक्षण test. Number 35, notebook. Number 36, report card. Number 37, शिक्षा तंत्र education system. Number 38, प्रमुख principal. Number 39, सांसद counselor. Number 40, छात्रवृत्ति scholarship. Number 41, अतिरिक्त extracurricular. Number 42, स्नातक graduation. Number 43, व्यावसायिक प्रशिक्षण vocational training. Number 44, दूरस्थ शिक्षा distance learning. Number 45, e-शिक्षा e-learning. Number 46, क्षेत्र यात्रा field trip. Number 47, संवादात्मक शिक्षा interactive learning. Number 48, महत्वपूर्ण विचारशीलता critical thinking. Number 49, समान मूल्यांकन peer review. Number 50, माता पिता और शिक्षक सम्मेलन parent teacher meeting. So that's all for today. Thank you. Take care. Bye.